Assalamu alaikum everyone, and 3 more days to close private for January 2024. Click on my name and click on the top right of the video to enter Discord and message me to get inside. And let's talk about Pepe. So Pepe at the moment is quite sideways, then again it's sideways, still sideways. Yesterday just some little bit of a pump for excitement and whatnot, but it has been a little bit cold, it's winter by the way, and all I can say is that Pepe is feeling cold because of the winters. So I don't know, can I ask you, can someone bring the heater and fix this issue? Turn on the AC or inverted AC or something and turn on the heater, because when you feel cold, it's like you put something in a deep freezer and it gets frozen and you don't do anything at all. So that's pretty much what Pepe is doing right now. Can someone just put back life into this thing? Because I'm tired of waiting to see what happens with Pepe. You are tired to see what's going to happen with Pepe. But one thing is that no matter how much slow you are, we are still in good hands. At least we are above the yellow box. We are above 10,089. It doesn't really matter how slow you are. The thing is that the more safe you are, the better it is. But I do see I may navigate the next move, and let's talk about the next move. So if I take this top wick here all the way down and stretch it like that, so you have the first touch here, you have the second one here, and you have the third one right there. So that is a resistance that has been maintained for quite some time. And then if you stretch this yellow box, the time takes you until 7th of January. So 7th of January, which is coming up in the next 9 days. So pretty much in 9 days we should see a little bit of more consolidation, maybe for 5 days or 6 days, and finally try to break above for Pepe. The monthly is good, I think, because the monthly time frame has closed quite better, and I think this is going to be pretty good, right? Pretty good, right over here. Except in the next 3 days, if you just don't come all of a sudden to 10,000, then that's really bad. So the monthly closing is absolutely important for us. If the monthly comes down to 10,089, I think January is going to be red for Pepe. So if you stay above, even at 14,000, and you close the month at 14,000, that's going to be a very good sign for next month. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.